Reading an Equifax credit report involves understanding several key sections that provide a comprehensive overview of your credit history. Here's how to read and interpret each section. Personal information. This section includes your name, address, social security number, date of birth, and employment information. Ensure all details are accurate. Credit summary. Provide a snapshot of your overall credit profile, including the number of accounts, total balances, and available credit. Account information. Details of your credit accounts, including credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. For each account, you will see the creditor's name, account number, account type, balance, credit limit or loan amount, payment history, and status. Review for accuracy and look for any signs of fraud. Public records. List any bankruptcies, tax liens, or civil judgments. These records can significantly impact your credit score. Credit inquiries. Divided into hard and soft inquiries. Hard inquiries occur when lenders check your credit for loan applications and can affect your score. Soft inquiries are typically for pre-approved offers or personal checks and don't impact your score. Negative information. Includes any late payments, defaults, or accounts in collections. Pay attention to these entries as they significantly affect your score. Credit score summary. If included, this section provides your credit score and factors affecting it, like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and recent inquiries. Explanations and resources. Equifax may provide explanations for terms and additional resources for improving your credit.